this is Astra with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this rocket espresso machine here. Came in for a tune-up and a couple of other things. So aside from the tune-up, I replaced this hose, this one, and this one. You can see they're damaged, and there's connected also to the filter here, which is pretty dirty. So I replaced that. Here's the old gasket. I also replaced this cap on here. You can see the old one has some damage, and also replaced the side panel. So you can see this one is pretty dented, and the water tank as well. So I also included with the tune-up was the descaling of the machine and back flushing and just deep cleaning the steam wand. And so I'm going to just pull a shot of espresso here and show you that the machine is just working great and pulling great shots of espresso. There we go. Just turn it on. And I've left the settings to however the customer had set it. So I have a little pre-infusion there. And then here you can see, on there and on there, it's about 9 bars. We'll just stop it there. Okay, so there you can see it's got some nice layers, caramel on top, and here the steam. It's also working great, and yeah, that's about it for this video. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.